Hi friends, let's cook creamy carbonara. Here are the ingredients. By the way, this is not sponsored, so you can choose your own brand. So let's start cooking. We have to boil water in a pot and we have to add salt. Let's add also oil. This way, our pasta will not stick together. And then, we have now to put our pasta. So we have to cook our noodles until it is al dente. Once it is cooked, we have to drain it and then put the pasta aside. Let us prepare all the ingredients. Like this ham, this cooked ham, we can slice this one thinly. Time to cook. Let's put oil in the pan and then add butter. Just set your stove in a medium heat. After adding the butter, you have to put the sweet ham. And then saute. Carbonara is easy to cook. If you're still watching the video, kindly like and subscribe. And you may also give your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much. After a minute, you can add the next ingredient. Let's put the mushroom. So I usually use canned mushroom. Just drain the sauce or liquid in the can. Okay, and then you have to stir it, mix. Alright, now let's add the cream. This is the all-purpose cream. We're going to make a creamy carbonara. So let's put enough cream in our mixture. And you have to add also evaporated milk, and we usually use carnation. So we have to mix it well. I could now smell it. So yummy. So you have to add the rest of the all-purpose cream that we prepared. Wow. It looks so creamy. See that? This is very delicious. You have to stir it from time to time and then let it boil. It starts to boil now. See? And then we add part of the cheese that we prepared. So it could be half of the cheese that we are going to mix, and the remaining will be our toppings. So this mixture is so creamy and cheesy. So you see, it's not difficult to make a creamy carbonara. Right now, let's add the pasta, the noodles, and we have to mix it thoroughly. And then we have to mix the pasta with the sauce. Look at this, it's so saucy. And it looks very delicious. See that? Our carbonara is almost done. So cooking carbonara is easy, and you can bake a lot of servings. When you buy this one in the restaurant, of course, it would be very expensive. And homemade is really great. So this is already cooked, and this is also ready to serve. So you can put the serving on a plate and we just add toppings. So here is our creamy carbonara. Thanks for watching, friends.